Thank you. You've been referring to this new shot as the updated COVID-19 vaccine. Can you explain a little bit more the decision to no longer be calling it just a booster?
Well, we have to remember we haven't seen a vaccine, a new vaccine, since December 2020. Our health and medical experts made an independent determination that we now have new updated vaccine, as you just said, to fight COVID. It is the first time that we have seen this type of updated vaccine, like I said, since December of 2020. And the message to folks that we are providing is, if you're 12 or older and it's been at least 2 months since you last got a shot, you should get these new updated vaccines right away. That's the doctor's advice, and they made this decision independently.
But you do still need to get the first original dose before you can get this shot. The FDA, the CDC, they're still referring to this as a booster. So I guess why the discrepancy? Are you concerned that may cause some confusion?
Well, I'm not going to get into regulatory language on what to call this. I'll leave that to a booster or a vaccine. I'm just laying out what the doctors and the expert have recommended. This is, again, a new vaccine. We haven't seen a new vaccine since December 2020. What this vaccine does, it targets the Omicron variant, which is the dominant variant, not just here, but globally. And this is good news. This is a step forward, and we're going to hear more from the president about this. But we think this is, again, a good step forward. We are in a place where COVID is now manageable. We know what works. We know what keeps us safe. What keeps us from not getting sick is by getting vaccinated. And right now, if you think about it, there's more than 200 million Americans who are currently fully vaccinated. That's 77% of the population who are 12 and older. And so that's an important way forward that the president has worked very hard since stepping into the administration to make sure that we had a comprehensive vaccine, getting shots into arms operation, and this is part of that.